In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 505 server errors on a Wix site. It's frustrating when you're trying to access your site and are faced with a roadblock like this, but don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. Let's get started right away. First things first, I'll guide you to your browser settings. This is where we'll begin our journey to resolving the issue. So open up your browser and look for the settings menu. Depending on the browser you're using, this could be represented by 3 dots, lines, or even a gear icon, typically located at the top right corner. Clicking on this icon will present you with a menu from which you'll choose the settings option. Now, once you're in the settings menu, the next step is to locate the section where you can clear your browsing data. This area is crucial as it's often where accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with your website's functionality. As you scan through the settings, look for something labeled Privacy and Security, or a similarly named category. Within this section, you will find an option that says Clear Browsing Data, Clear History, or maybe even just Cache and Cookies. Once you've made your way to the Clear Browsing Data section, you'll be presented with options on what specific data to clear. Here, you want to ensure you're selecting Cache and Cookies. These are typically what need to be reset to resolve server errors like the 505 on Wix. You may see options for clearing just recent history or data from all time. For a more thorough cleanup, consider selecting All Time, but be mindful, clearing all your data can log you out of websites and erase saved passwords, so make sure you have those saved elsewhere if necessary. After you've selected the data you want to clear, go ahead and proceed to clear it. This process might take a few moments, depending on how much data is being erased. Once it's finished, the next step is simple but crucial. Try accessing your Wix site again. Often this simple act of clearing cache and cookies is enough to resolve the 505 error. If you find that the error persists even after clearing your browsing data, it might be worth checking if your Wix site is experiencing any service outages. Sometimes it's not the browser cache causing the issue, but rather a server-side problem. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to tackle that pesky 505 server error on your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to share it with others who might be encountering the same issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. See you next time.